If you're bored of eating the same old chai biscuit, then today I got a savory chai time snack for you. Kasuri Methi Mathri. Crispy, deep fried golden matris with piping hot chai. What a perfect combination. Let's make it. In a big bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, add salt to taste. Now for that unique flavor, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of crushed kasuri methi, followed by 2 teaspoons of ajwain and 1/4 cup of semolina. To ensure that our matris are irresistibly crispy, add 1/4 cup of hot ghee to the mixture. Mix everything really well and you'll know it's ready when the flour holds together. Now add water little by little and knead the ingredients into a firm yet pliable dough. At this point, kasuri methi will release its wonderful aroma. Now in a separate small bowl, create a slurry by mixing flour and melted ghee that we'll be using later. Now let's shape our matris. Divide the dough into small portions. Take each ball, flatten it with the rolling pin and make a thin paratha. Spread a thin layer of slurry that we prepared earlier, then roll the paratha as shown and pinch it close. Now cut this into small pieces and just look at that cross section. It came out so perfectly. Press each disc with the rolling pin with a really light pressure. Don't make it too thin. Now these little babies are ready to fry. Drop them into hot oil and fry until they turn a beautiful golden color and perfectly crispy. And here I am making a quick cup of chai to enjoy with these delicious treats. Trust me, this combination is unbeatable. If you liked the video, check out my other videos too and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Bye.